What's up guys? May bago na namang dumating galing kay Xi Jinping. Tara, buksan natin to. Air Jordan 1 High Tokyo Biohack. UA pala to guys. Unauthorized authentic. Isa tong high tier na batch. DG batch to. Tara, check natin yung quality niya. Ang ganda guys. Tumbled leather to siya guys. Yung likod niya guys, naka hourglass shape. Hourglass shape talaga yan. Yung extra laces niya. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda ng leather niya. So yun muna guys. Salamat sa panonood. Peace.